Emily's accident. It started out as Thomas not knowing what to do. "Hey guys, are you guys bored?" Henry said, "Not really, I like sleeping in here." But Gordon, on the other hand, "I'm supposed to be out there pulling and pushing coaches, not sitting in here." Percy just gave a simple response. "Yes, I'm bored." "Hey, Percy, you want to go see what Emily's up to?" "Sure." Thomas backed out of his shed. Percy followed. "Let's go," said Percy. Thomas put on his brakes as he went down Gordon's hill. "You gotta be gentle on this," said Thomas. He took a big skid at the bottom, waiting for Percy. Let's go," he said. He went down pretty fast. Thomas said, "No, no, no, no," and he chugged up a little ahead as Thomas screeched to a stop right behind Thomas. "Whew, you could have made an accident, Percy. I'm sorry." So Thomas started chugging along with Percy right behind him. Wait up," said Percy. But Thomas wasn't listening too much and started going up too far ahead. When he saw Annie and Clarabelle, he stopped. "Hey, Thomas," said Annie. "What are you doing?" said Clarabelle. "Oh, I'm busy, And just like that, he started chugging along without saying anything back to them. Wait! Where did Thomas go?" "Thomas went up there." Chugga, 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 chugga. Ugh. Chugga, 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 chugga. "Wait, aren't you gonna help deliver us?" Chugga, 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 chugga. "Wait up, Thomas! Wait! But Thomas just kept on going. That's when he stopped up ahead to see the weirdest mess of all. "Keep moving! Emily was having trouble with the freight cars. They kept shoving her backwards and then forwards, backwards again, and then they pushed her really far. "Need some help?" "What? Do you need some help?" As Thomas gets hit right into. Thomas started pushing while Emily started pulling. Then that's when it made the job easier. Meanwhile, Percy. "Thomas! Wait!" Percy was running out of steam. He saw Thomas up ahead. He noticed that he was slower now, so he sped up. Emily just kept pulling. Wow, these freight cars are really listening now. Meanwhile, in the back, "Stop messing around, freight cars! No, we will never!" That's when one of the freight cars had an evil idea. He unattached himself to Emily. Emily said all of a sudden, "Whoa! Freight cars don't push too hard now," as she went off in the distance. But Thomas didn't know that they switched tracks, so he just kept pushing. This time the freight cars didn't hit with please. Wait, said Percy, trying to catch up to Thomas. Thomas just kept chugging along. Wait! Meanwhile, Emily was noticing that the freight cars weren't doing anything bad up Gordon's hill. I must have really taught these freight cars a lesson. As she got up to the final hill, she decided, "Hey guys," she said as she passed them up. That's when, right as Emily left, Henry said, "Where is she going?" "Wasn't she supposed to have a load?" said Gordon. She took it slow on the hill, noticing that her load felt lighter. Said Emily. "Maybe I should check behind me." She took one glance, and just like that, she changed her mind, and she started chugging up faster as can be. I forgot my load, said Emily. Back to Thomas. Thomas was still chugging away with the freight cars in front of him. When the freight cars knew they were heading in the correct direction, that's when they started causing issues again. No! No! Thomas just kept pushing. Come on! Emily, if you can hear me, help me! No, said the freight cars. And once again, they had a sneaky idea. This time they pulled with Thomas, smashed into Annie Clarabelle, knocking them off the rails. Oh dear, said Thomas. He started pulling. Oh no. He uncuffed himself to the troublesome trucks and tried heading forward. Dang it, said Thomas. They're blocking the track. So he started chugging backwards. Meanwhile, Percy, come back! But Thomas didn't hear him until it was too late. Percy! I'm so sorry. I forgot you were even following me. Where's Emily? Well, she got into an accident. What? You better get someone to help me up right now. Otherwise, I will be very angry. So Thomas just kept chugging backwards. Meanwhile, Emily was skidding down the hill as fast as she could, flying. We need help. I need help. Where's Rocky at? She realized she couldn't go on for much longer. She took a big drink. I forgot, said Emily. Rocky's out of town. What am I supposed to do? That's when he realized maybe Toby can help. After the long drink, Emily went to see what Toby was doing. He took down on the big mat. Toby, wake up! What is it? Said Toby. Quickly, just follow me. She cuffed herself to Toby and pushed Toby wherever she wanted to go. Stop, said Toby, and shoved on his brakes. Don't stop now. But that's at the exact moment Emily stopped. What happened here? What? I thought you were crashed. What? No, I lost my freight cars. Oh no, Thomas has gone looking for you because he was helping from the back, and all of a sudden the freight cars crashed. Oh, that's terrible news. Meanwhile, Thomas was halfway up Gordon's Hill when he didn't feel like he had much steam left. I need some help, said Thomas.